Today we're going into a car wash. I cannot wait to see the windows falling. It's gonna be kind of funny. Yeah. But let's go, I guess. Let's go. Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at our window! Look at our windows here. Hot soap is next! Hot
Why
soap.
don't they say so?
Still says go. It's supposed to say
there you go.
stop.
Okay.
Oh, there. Stop. Hot soap! Hot soap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Here comes the other side. Oh, look at the bag! Ah, look! It's the other side! It's... Oh, ew! That's disgusting. We cannot even see anymore. We cannot even see the schedule. We cannot even see anything anymore. Ooh, thank you. Anyways, next is high pressure. This is the high pressure. Oh my god, this is now high pressure. You can still see some of it though. Oh, it's gonna get looped back around, so prepare for it. It's about to get more soapy now. It's high pressure. Oh my god. Wait, can you windshield wipe again? Because I want to see. Oh, thank you. Next is triple foam.
Ooh.
Oh my god!
The foam is coming.
Yes!
So much slime.
Yes! Ew! Look at that! Gotta wash away. Ew! Next is Rain X.
Rain X.
Look at that! This is the Rain X. They're washing away the slime. Ew, some of the slime is still here. Ew, it's disgusting. It's getting everywhere. It looks like it's getting sucked away. Next is clear coat protectant.
Protection. Protectant, you were right, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Protectant. It's a chemical that protects you that protects the car's coat from damage and dirt.
Oh, okay. Here it comes. Oh my god! Oh my...
Ooh, now is the Rain X time.
Yeah, I thought Rain X was first. Thought so. Next is Spot 3 Rinks. Oh my god, this is not a Spot 3 Rinks at all.
Yeah, many spots here. I think that's the Rain X.
Yeah, the Rain X. Ew. Oh, look at the back of the car getting submerged.
Oh god. gosh.
Oh my god, look at that!
Wow.
And last but not least,
Not least at all.
the spot-free rings. Should light up now. Should. It's gonna light up. Oh. This is the spot-free ring. I don't think so.
I think the light is out of order.
Oh, okay.
But it's okay.
Yeah. Hope it's done.
Good.
Yes, it's done. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed that. Wait, why is it like this? Why is the engine like that?
It's not the engine, it's air. High pressure air to dry up the car.
Oh, okay, look at that.
That's how we get dry, understand?
Yeah. There.
There you go.
Exit. Oh my god.
I know, right?
Yeah, that was amazing. Oh my god. Now it's fixed, which is lucky. Looks like Times Square. No, this is not Times Square. It's at New York. Wait, but this is New York Avenue. Yeah, so, yeah, because it must have it. So that's where the trains come from. They come from this bridge.
They do, you're right.
Yeah, some of the express trains. Not really metro trains, but yeah.
So did you have fun?
Yes, I did. B22 Anacostia. Oh my
Sorry.
god. 24th place. What caused it?
They jumped into the road. I didn't know that they were going to cross, so I stopped for them.
Oh, okay. That's why you should not go very fast.
True. Yeah, I wasn't going very fast. That's why I could stop on time.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
Do you need a tissue?
No, B98 employee shuttle.
Oh, nice.
That's a employee.
Poor employees, they work on Saturday.
Yeah, 2525.
In the year 2525, if mankind is still alive.
And that is 302 years later.
300, how many?
302.
Mm-mm.
No, and that's 502 years later. 2725. Oh, yeah. I did not think about that. It crossed through 2600.
רומניה. הנה הניסיון עכשיו מצד שמאל של הרומנים של רזוון מרין. שחקנה של אמפולי מחלץ כדור חוץ ליד דגל הקרן השמאלי. כאשר אוטוטו יהיה מאחורינו.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.